Hey guys, what's up? It's Kendall again, and welcome back to my channel as you get a bonus video for Halloween. Because girl, are you joking me? Favorite makeup look ever, 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 ever. Favorite. As you can see, we are doing Day of the Dead makeup. This is my 12 out of 10 favorite makeup look I've ever done. If I could take my time and wear this every single day, girl, I'm wearing it. Goodbye. I'm going to look like this on the streets. Okay? This is super glam and fabulous, and I can't get over it. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. I've been so excited to do this look, to be honest with you. So excited. I'm going to go in with green because I'm struggling with my hormonal acne. Yay. Before anyone comes for my skin color in this, I'm trying to use this up because it's not my color, and why not use it up on Halloween looks rather than going out looking like an Oompa Loompa? So apologies. Today I'm going in with the Morphe 2 Hint Skin Tint in the shade Hint of Toast. It's way too dark for me, I know. This is honestly my go-to summer tint on the skin because I do like how it sits, but I find that I do need to set it with like a powder first or else it can get kind of oxidized. Maybe it's just the mixture with my skin tone, but just a heads up. But I do really like this product. It's nice and lightweight. Can wear it anywhere. I'm going in with the Morphe E63 brush. It's just kind of like an angled foundation brush. Mine has seen better days, but we're just going to spread this all over, not being like too precise, but keeping it just kind of on the outskirts of the face because we will be painting a lot of black everywhere. So the base really doesn't matter that much in this look. As you can see, it doesn't match, girl. It's fine. Not that serious. Don't come for me. Going in with my beauty blender, I am just going to make sure that this is really nicely set into the skin. And I tried to bring it down my neck for you guys so I didn't look too crazy. But it's giving peanut butter baby for sure. I'm avoiding like my eye areas because we're going to end up doing those dark anyway. So like it doesn't really matter. I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Finishing Powder. This is their loose powder in shade Fair 10. I'm just going to go in and put this all over the face. Going in and just brushing through my brows. Y'all really do be coming for my brows in my short clips. And let me just say, I'm working on it, okay? I'm working on my brows. I know they're rough. They've been rough my whole life. I don't know what to tell you guys. I'm trying. I'm learning. Maybe I'll do a brow series. You know what? I think I'm going to do a brow series just to make y'all happy. All around the eyes in today's look is really, really dark. And I think I want to do my eyebrows more on like the black side just to add drama. But I want to create some shape first. So I'm going to go in on the top and the bottom of my brow just to kind of give me a guideline of where I want the black. Something like really rough like that. It's just rough draft. I'm going to be going in with my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette because this one just has like the darkest black shadow that I have in my collection. So I'm going to be taking a dark black shadow on this pointed kind of angled brush, and we're just going to fill in the brows super, super dark. I did have my bed made very nicely, but you know, I live with the devil, so sorry. Using my eyebrows as like my guideline for around my eyes, we're going to keep this at the top, and then we're going to try to like round it down underneath the underneath of your eye. To do that, I'm just going to be taking the same angled brush and black eyeshadow and just going around creating my outer edge and just start there. With these more like detailed looks, it's really about going one step at a time and don't get ahead of yourself. I'm still very new to like creative looks like that. Usually just like a quick eyeshadow is my game. But Halloween has really inspired me to like go out of my comfort zone and try these more difficult looks because I do want to get into more difficult makeup looks because I think they're awesome and I think you learn a lot of skills by just attempting them. Okay, that's a good start. It's not a perfect circle. I'm going really based off of my bone structure in my face. So really where like my orbital bone. I think that one's down here, unless it's just up here. I think they're both your orbital bone. My A&P teacher would be so disappointed in me. I kind of went based off of that. I went just like a little down under because we're going to be putting gems here anyway to kind of outline this area. So if it's not a perfect circle, it's fine, girl. It's makeup. There's no rules. Take that same black eyeshadow and we're just going to kind of like buff around the edge just to give it some like smokiness when we go into the actual eye makeup. It's giving like early stage Spider-Man vibes, but stick with me. I'm just using like a medium to dark shade brown in the Jaclyn Hill palette as well. And I'm just going to kind of follow this around. Kind of like just above my crease. Into my crease. And then we're going to leave the top of the lid and like right under the center of the eye here blank. So just kind of like filling in this circle and buffing everything out. Are you trying to see the vision, girl? Because Lord help me, I am. I really want to create like a shimmer effect all on the inside of this. So I'm going to be going in with just like a shimmery gold shadow and going over all of it. Just to kind of see how nice of a shimmer that just gave it. So pretty. I am going to take the brush that I used for the brown and just kind of go in and like buff around this black area. For the center part of the eyes, I'm going to go in with kind of like a mixture of these two shimmers here. One's a dark one. Oh my god, my palette is so horrendous. Embarrassing. I'm going in with these two shimmers here, and I'm just going to hit the areas we haven't hit yet. Going back in with the black shadow, and I'm using the Morphe M508 brush. This is just like a smudge brush. I'm going to be going up around the eyes and just smoking both of my lash lines out. Just taking a fluffy brush, no added product, just kind of smoothing this all out around the eye so it's not really harsh. Do you see it starting to come together? I think it's going to come together nice, but I think the next step here is going to be to add some gems to the eyes. Oh my god, I didn't even show you guys my inspo photo. This photo right here has been saved in my Pinterest for years. Okay, for years it has been sitting in my Pinterest board and I've just been too nervous to try it. And we're trying it, girl, because 2024, we're trying new things. She has glitter like right above her lash line and up in her crease, but I have hooded eyes, so I think instead of doing it in my crease, I'm gonna try to do it like up here a little bit, so then when I open my eyes, you can still see it there. Yeah, that's the game plan. For today's gems, I'm going in with these two colors. One is more on like the blacker, darker side, and then this one is more of like a translucent, catch the light kind of gem. I'm gonna go in with both of these. These you can find on Amazon, super easy, super cheap. This came in a pack of 6, I think, with these two colors, a gold, a red, a purple, maybe a blue. I link all the products I use in today's video down below in the description box. So I will link these here because these are cute. They have like different shapes and stuff in there, but also just like simple circles and whatnot of all sizes. So good purchase. That specific gem purchase on Amazon does not come with the glue. So if you get that and you need glue, just use lash glue. Or I have linked my other gem case that I got on Amazon. I think it was like $10. It came with like a bunch of different ones. That one came with a glue and it came with a little like wax pencil just to like pick the gems up. If you don't have either of these, use lash glue for this and like an old lip liner or eyeliner that you don't like anymore, something waxy that you can pick the gems up to stick on easily. Going in right above where we put the black because we want it to show in case we add lashes. I don't know if I'm adding lashes to this look or not, but we'll see. Okay, I have a couple different sizes up in here. I think it's cute. I think I decided against doing the ones here because I think it will look weird. If you don't have hooded eyelids, you could totally get away with doing it in the crease. So when you look down, they're like in your crease. But I know because I have hooded eyelids, it will look wackadoodle. So we're going to skip that. I'm going to start doing the majority of the gems on this look. So I'm going to shut up for a little bit. And I'm just going to let you watch how I place the gems around the eye, obviously sped up. But I'm going to show you how I place the gems around the eye, and then I'll see you later. Okay, y'all, I have the outside of this circle done. Time frame for you, it took me about 15 minutes to do the whole outer circle. But now we're going to jazz it up a little bit more. We're going to grow it out more, and we're going to add the drama. Not too bad, huh? Not too bad, if I do say so myself. I'm not really going to make this matching at all when it comes to the size of the gems. I want it to kind of be like every other, or just kind of very random when it comes to the next few rows, or else it will kind of look weird, I guess. But I'm just going to create more rows on the top and the bottoms, and then we're just kind of, it's going to come together, girl. Don't you worry. See how she's coming? Literally so random where I'm putting these. And I'm just going to kind of keep it here, like I said. And now I'm going to do underneath the eye, and then we'll add some details up here too. Okay, y'all. So I have the top and bottom layers done that I want. Again, time frame, this probably took me 8 minutes. So talking a total of maybe 20 minutes so far just on the gems. So for this look, you're definitely going to want to give yourself some time, because the gems take forever, okay? But it's worth it, because look how fabulous this already looks. We're going to add in some last minute details, and then I'll do the other eye. Dear God. The gem set came with these really cute, like, diamond point gems. So I'm going to add that just above the 3 layers I just created. Like, look how cute. It's cute. I love. I feel like I should have one down here too? Question mark? Like, it came with cute stars. Are you kidding? Then I'm just going to add like random gems just around the skin, just to add the glitter. Of course, these are too uniform because my OCD just cannot help it. So we're going to add some like tiny random ones here. Like, obsessed. I love anything with gems. So I'm just going to kind of like add more of these details around the bottom here and next to this one right here, just adding on some gems, but I won't bore you guys to death with that, so I'll be back. These are the final details I put on here. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side, and I think for the other side, I'm going to have to use the translucent ones, and then you can kind of see the difference between using a darker gem versus a lighter, translucent, colorful gem. Not so much colorful, but like the one that's just like that bluey haze mermaid type of style gem, because girl, can you see that? That's all I have left, and they're all little. And if I use all, well, maybe I can make, oh, half of them are on the ground now. So we're going to use translucent on the other side, and we'll compare. Just to show y'all how many gems I used on this side, this is what's left in my little container. This is what it starts out as. Just a heads up. We have the dark side over here and the translucent side over here, and I think both are really cute. So if you're a dark girly like me, this will be the side you want to follow. If you're a translucent girly, get your translucent gems out, girl, because they're so cute. We just have a couple more last minute details to do, so let's hit the nose really quick. Going in with a black eyeshadow again, just to map out where we're at. I'm going to be following my bone structure again, so yours will look a little different than mine. And then just fill it in with that black shadow. I think for the nose, I'm just going to outline this top half and see how it looks. And then, because I don't really want like gems all around it, you know? So just the top half and a little bit above where we stopped. I don't know, is that cute? Should I do some down here? Maybe? I feel like I should extend this into my nostrils a bit. So it's a little less weird, I think. And then I think what I'll do is go down the sides. I think that's much cuter. Yeah. You could stop here if you want and just do like a quick gloss or a black lipstick over it and then hit the door. But I'm going to try to do some like more details here because we're already this far deep, girl. Why would we not just keep going? I'm going to be taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and I'm just going to go over my lips and just a little bit outwards. Not all this, girl. This part is what I'm scared for because it will either make or break the look. And honestly, I don't know. I don't know. I'm just going to set it with some powder really quick. Then with black shadow, we're going to go in and do some like lines for teeth. I think I hate this. Hold on. Scratch that idea, outline the lips in black eyeshadow. And then we can gem it out. Like that, and then repeat on the other side in the bottom. Okay, y'all. These are the final touches. I added just a little bit on the chin for some extra whoosh. I'll show you up close the details. Oops, we're losing one. I'll show you up close the details of all the glitter. Overall, I would say this took me about an hour and a half to 2 hours, but I was also trying to record and do it, so minus 30 minutes. I would say an hour, depending on what skill level you're at. And trust me, don't think that you have to be good at makeup to try this. It's easier than you think it is, especially with gems. It's as simple as just figuring out the way you want to like move around it. And then once you get your like move going, it's super, super easy. So I highly recommend that you just like try it, girl. That's the whole point of this channel, is just for you to freaking try it, because I'm not, you know, I'm not a makeup artist. I like to just try makeup and be creative because I'm passionate about it. So, and this is the final product of what we turned out with. And I give this a 12 out of 10. Finally, a look that I'm like, yes, slayed, killed it all day. Let's go. Yes. Okay, guys, this is the final look. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss another episode with me. We're starting a November series next month. Halloween is gone. It was fun. Let me know what you thought of my Halloween series, of my 21 days of Halloween on my shorts. If you haven't seen that, go to my shorts and check those out, as well as my TikTok, my Instagram, and my Facebook. But until then, guys, I will see you in the next one.